Hi, my name is Sawi, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go! Today, we are showing you this modern, minimalist design house for sale located inside a secured subdivision in Angeles City. This is near Marquee and Landers.
This property is priced at 20 million pesos. It has a lot area of 228 square meters, floor area of 220 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, high ceiling, living area, dining area, service kitchen, balconies, laundry area, lanai, sun deck, shower area. It is furnished and it has 2 carport.
So as we can see, guys, the facade of the house is very beautiful, minimalist and clean lines with a mixture of metal, cement, and wooden design. So this part right here is your automated gate. This one is sliding, by the way. Sliding siya, automated. And this is your pedestrian gate. So let's go in. By the way, guys, let me just point it out that this is located or situated on a corner lot. So it's an advantage for you kasi meron tayong malaking parking space sa labas. Okay? Let's go in. So upon entry, sa pedestrian gate natin, to my left, this is the way to your swimming pool. Yes, guys, may swimming pool. And to the right, this is your 2-car carport na may mataas na ceiling height. Plus, sabi ko nga, yung automated natin na sliding gate. Okay? And this way is your access to your service area. Yan. Yung carport natin, it has provision for your outlets and your water faucet. Okay? So step up right here. This is your big wooden main door. Yan. Napakaganda. We have a nice greenery here. The door has a smart lock. Okay? It can be accessed through your phone, key card, or fingerprint. Maraming ways to access it. Of course, as we enter, makikita agad natin yung ating double height ceiling dito sa ating living area. Ang ganda rin ng combination ng colors dito, guys. Nakikita natin. We have shelvings right here. This will be your TV console. More shelvings na lighted. So, pwede nyong i-highlight dito yung mga awards or mga collectibles. So, like this one, no, meron tayong mga die-cast cars dito. Okay? This is your dining area. It seats 6 people. Very nice light fixture. Diba? At makikita nyo, guys, it's 9 a.m. So, morning sun nandito, tumatama sa ating dining area. So, kumbaga, good energy siya in the morning. Now, this is your kitchen. So, we have a counter right here. Ang ganda ng counter kasi I think this is quartz countertop. Meron tayong storage dito. Very beautiful pendant lighting. Itong area na to is provision for your refrigerator. We have this space also for your, I think this is for the water dispenser. You have an air fryer right there. A space right here for your sink, your induction stove, and your range hood. And kung mapapansin nyo, guys, included na rin itong mga SMEG appliances natin like this kettle and yung ating toaster. Very nice. Ang ganda rin ng color, di ba? Sage green. Now, we go out first bago tayo pumunta sa mga rooms natin. Okay, so this door leads to your service area. Okay, paglabas mo dito, you have your daily kitchen right here. May shelvings din sa taas. And sa opposite side naman niya, you have your sink and more storage dito sa taas din niya. Okay? May malawak tayong space dito. Ito, nai-imagine ko to, pwede yung extension ng kitchen or sampayan para hidden siya. Kasi dito naman sa area na to, yung laundry natin. So, have your provision for your water and your outlets. Tapos meron tayong sink And this is your pump room. And this way goes out to your carport. Yun. Excuse lang natin, may nag-drill sa neighbor natin. But that's temporary. Okay? Now, I'm so excited to show you this area because paglabas mo from the dining, you have a sliding door dito and you have this area right here na pwedeng maging overflow kung you need more dining space. Pwede ka maglagay ng round table dito or long table dito or sitting area. Ang ganda rin ng detail sa ating wall which is parang stone riprap style. Parang yung nakikita natin sa Baguio. No? Lighted din siya. May mga lights tayo dyan. And of course, we have a very nice decking right here kasi nandito yung ating swimming pool na napakaganda rin. Okay? You have a shower right here for your swimming pool. Very nice. Good size swimming pool, no? So, swimming pool talaga siya. Ang ganda kasi may water feature siya. And of course, your very nice garden is right here. So, imagine nyo guys, nag-relax kayo ng family and friends nyo dito. In the morning or in the afternoon, very nice. Diba? So, pwede ka dito meron yung sitting area or yung, alam niyo may umbrella kang ganyan. Very, very nice, no? May outlets na rin if you need, no? So, let's go back inside the house. Going back, let's take one more look sa ating dining, living, and yung ating kitchen area. And guys, air conditioning are installed already. Branded siya Samsung. Then we have this very nice storage right here kung saan nakatago yung inyong breaker. And pwede ka na rin ditong mag-check ng outfit mo before you head out of the house. So very nice, no? Okay, now on the ground floor, we have a room right here that can be used in so many ways. So this room right here can be a guest room, can be a study, can be a bedroom. It's up to you. Large windows, air conditioning. Ang ganda rin ng color combination natin ng white and gray. Wooden door. So, pwede siya kahit anong gusto mong gawin. Office, pwede rin siya. Okay? The room beside the bedroom or the guest room is your toilet and bath on the ground floor. And ang maganda dyan guys, kasi very spacious siya. We have this very nice Japanese toilet and your rainfall shower with shampoo niche na included na yung ating mga shampoo. Okay? Very nice, no? Ang ganda rin ng lights nung ating toilet. And of course, yung sink natin, maganda rin. Under the stairs, you have this nice space right here that can be enclosed if you want, na pwede rin additional storage siya. So, hidden yung mga hindi masyadong ginagamit na items. Now, we're going to the second floor, and may I just point out that the railing natin is full glass, which is very sturdy. Ayan, sinishake ko siya ngayon. Wooden steps going to the second floor, lighted so that it will be safe for you at night. Diba? Sa mid-landing natin, we have a large window right here for more natural light. Of course, may pendant lighting tayo sa taas natin. Very nice. And going to the landing, ang ganda. I-appreciate din natin itong napakagandang pendant lighting and chandelier natin dito na parang native design siya, which is very nice. Tapos large windows din tayo sa gilid niya. Okay, where do we start? Let's start with the first bedroom upon landing to your second floor. It's this one right here. Very spacious. Your bed will go right here. TV will go right here. We have large windows, air conditioning. We have this cabinet installed. Really, really nice. Sindi natin. Ayan, mas maganda, di ba? Mas maganda siya pag lighted. And of course, ang ganda rin nung choice ng design sa floor, which is wooden looking tiles para madali siyang i-maintain. Okay? Then we have this second bedroom. Ito guys, sobrang aliwalas kasi nga sabi ko morning ngayon. Ayan. Very nice space, large windows, air conditioning is installed. Yan yung scale natin. Of course, cabinets are installed then for your outfits. Very nice. And meron din siyang mga robot vacuum na kasama. Okay. This one is the shared bathroom for the 2 rooms na na-feature natin. Yan, very spacious. Of course, we have this sink. We have the toilet and your partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower. Ayan. Ang maganda pa, guys, we have this window sa taas that lets in natural light. So, presko siya. And of course, may window din for ventilation. So, presko ang CR natin. Okay? This door naman is going to your balcony facing the front of the house. So like sabi ko nga, it's morning right now, 9 a.m. Napakaganda ng tama ng araw. Of course, makikita natin, ma-appreciate natin yung corner lot natin from here. You have a pool dito. Yan, and going back, let me just turn this on para mas maganda tingnan. Ayan, di ba? Okay, now we go to the master bedroom. So, the master bedroom, yan, wooden door, electronic lock din tayo sa master bedroom. Then you have this big bed right here. Large window. Of course, you have your TV console. Yan, may mga storage din siya under. Then, we go to the walk-in closet. So, yung closet space natin, very nice because lighted yung shelves natin dito. Pakita natin yung shelves natin, lighted. And pwede yan sa mga bag collection or your items, personal items. Plus, we have this very nice cabinet right here na may mga racks for your outfits. Okay? And then, of course, we have our master bathroom. So we have dual sink right here, pwedeng his and her. Dalawa rin ang ating salamin, of course. We have this Japanese toilet na may sensor siya. So once you approach the toilet, bumubukas siya, of course. And this partially enclosed shower na spacious din with rainfall, shower head, and very spacious. And dito maganda tong space na to kasi pwede mo lagyan ng mga items mo. Diba? Very nice. Okay. One last area sa second floor natin is the master bedroom balcony. So, behind the camera, ayan. Itong door na to is your side balcony naman. Okay? Morning sun dito. Very nice. Okay, pwede ka pa ditong may upuan. Pwede kang uminom ng kape, magbasa ng book, at in the afternoon, kasi pag morning, wala na yung ray ng sun dyan. And one more look sa ating master. Ang ganda rin ng choice ng bed kasi meron siyang parang cushion sa gilid before yung bed natin. Really nice. Air conditioning. And of course, guys, this property is already installed yung CCTV natin. So, it will be for additional peace of mind since we are on a secured subdivision naman na. Okay, so let's go down for the recap.
This property is priced at 20 million pesos. It has a lot area of 228 square meters, floor area of 220 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, high ceiling, living area, dining area, service kitchen, balconies, laundry area, lanai, sun deck, shower area. It is furnished and it has 2 carport.